Tortilla Fruit Pizza is a light dessert or snack that kids of all ages enjoy making. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. All you're going to need is a half a cup of assorted fruit. Today I'm using strawberries and pineapple. A flour tortilla. Now you can use a white one or a whole wheat one, just whatever your preference is. And a 1/4 of a cup of whipped topping. And a little cinnamon and sugar, and I like to put mine in a salt shaker. It's just convenient and easy to use. Always wash your fruit before you use it under cool running water. And make sure that your fruit is cut up into bite-sized pieces. Now you're going to take your whipped topping and add it to your tortilla and spread it out evenly. And then arrange your fruit on top of the tortilla. Add as much of this fruit that you would like. Add another piece or two of pineapple. And then you're just going to shake the cinnamon and sugar mixture over the top, just like that. And I find it's easiest to eat that if you fold it over and eat it like a taco. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.